So as you may have already seen, there are countless videos on how to make money using ChatGPT. But perhaps you're stuck in the dark and wondering how you can go about doing so. You don't really want to know which method works, which doesn't. Well, this video will share with you 5 potential ways you can make money using ChatGPT. Of course, keep in mind none of these are quick fix hacks. You do need to put some work in, but these are just suggestions on ways how you can leverage ChatGPT to create a potentially new income stream. But before I begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to uncover more trends, tools, tips, and tricks like these on navigating AI in this online ocean of opportunity. Number 1, content services. So this one's a pretty easy one. High quality material may be produced with ChatGPT, including articles, blog entries, social media updates, and you may be able to sell this material to businesses, publishers, and people that require excellent content for their website. In another video, I do talk about how you can use ChatGPT for marketing purposes like this. You can check that out in the corner below. ChatGPT can also be used for content translation, as you can accurately translate content into various languages. High quality translation services may be offered in a variety of different languages using ChatGPT. You can also, with the aid of ChatGPT, develop content marketing strategies that make use of AI to provide tailored audience-specific material. As a content marketer, incorporating ChatGPT can be advantageous in multiple ways. First, it can assist in brainstorming content ideas, providing you with a vast amount of information. ChatGPT can also optimize your content for search engines by providing relevant keywords and analyzing your content structure. It can also aid in creating personalized and captivating content for your audience. It can also automate various tasks such as generating social media posts and email marketing that is a bit more customized and personalized with specific tones, which saves time and effort. So ultimately, with ChatGPT, it can enhance your content marketing strategy by providing valuable insights, streamlining a lot of multiple tasks, and allowing you to focus on generating quality content much faster. You can make money through this by just becoming a better AI copywriter as a whole for perhaps your company or just even freelancing services. Or perhaps you can even just create an AI copywriting agency at large and take on more clients that way. So at the end of the day, ChatGPT allows you to create content much more quickly. The next best way to make money with ChatGPT is by building out a product or perhaps a Google extension. For this, you don't really need to know how to code. ChatGPT can translate your ideas into real products step by step using different programming languages. Recently, Ihor Stefarak, an Ukrainian entrepreneur, built a Chrome extension with the help of ChatGPT, having zero knowledge of programming. And he made $1,000 within 24 hours launching the extension. What he did was first feed a prompt by asking it to write code for a simple Chrome extension that monitors input boxes on websites. Then devoted hours testing and reporting errors and just requesting revisions. And then when he was pretty happy with it, he ended up designing a landing page with a pre-order button linked to Stripe and then tweeted that landing page out. Apparently the tweet went viral, so many people saw it, and then he got $100,000 within 24 hours. He later then sold that exact extension to a company Acquire, and it's quite surprising just how fast you can build things out these days with ChatGPT. The third thing on the list is to create personal chatbots. So after launch of ChatGPT, the demand for AI-assisted chatbots has only gone higher. Business companies, educational institutions, apps, and individuals in general want to train the AI on their own custom data and create personalized chatbots. So you can earn good money if you learn how to train an AI and create cool front-end chatbots. Stripe has already created a ChatGPT-powered virtual assistant that understands its technical documentation and helps developers by answering questions instantly. You can look at this website here, which I'll also include in the description below, on a guide on how to create your own chatbot. The beautiful thing about chatbots is that you can create them for any industry, as long as you know what niche to target them for. So just do some research, which you can use ChatGPT for. And I've also created a video on how to leverage ChatGPT for market research, so check that out. And then find out which industry you'd like to create a chatbot for. And then the fourth on this list is to become a prompt master. What this means is you can become a prompt expert and make use of ChatGPT to make money for you. So for the audience out there that requires detailed yet concise prompts, so if you've used ChatGPT long enough, you can compile a bunch of ChatGPT prompts to then sell as a collection for as a separate digital product, or even just try to get hired as a prompt engineer, which can sell for a lot, or just try to become a prompt engineer, which can have a pretty high salary depending on where you're working at. People these days are doing this. Well, like Anna Bernstein, a prompt engineer at Copy.ai, was actually a freelance writer and historical research assistant before she started working with AI. So the market for prompt engineering definitely is growing. PromptBase, a prompt marketplace that launched last June, even allows people to hire prompt engineers or even sell their prompts. So this can show you that there is some room for people that are good at writing prompts. Finally, something that a lot of people are doing these days is YouTube channels with ChatGPT. YouTube channels are very profitable businesses these days if you do it right. AI will help you with detailed research on your subject matter, create a video, write scripts. So this is quite a lot. With ChatGPT, you can take whatever topic you're brainstorming ideas for and ask the AI to generate a given number of YouTube video titles surrounding that topic. For example, if you're coming up with a video topic idea around the theme of music, you can ask ChatGPT, come up with 10 video YouTube titles around the topic of music. You can see some of the results here. And so this is just one of the ways to get started. So you can then even expand on this and ask it to write a script. I wouldn't say it's like the best job, but it helps you get started and gives you some starting ground to work faster. So examples like this are just ways in which you can get a YouTube channel much faster and then hopefully get monetized and grow that channel. Before in the past, it would take so long just to write a script to think of some catchy YouTube titles. But with ChatGPT, obviously you can get the work done for you. Once again, I don't recommend to depend on it fully, but just leverage it as a good starting point. So there you have it, 5 ways to make money using ChatGPT. If you found this video interesting, make sure to click the video on the left to learn more about ChatGPT for marketing and business purposes. And also be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos on how to navigate the digital using AI and more.